Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this M&M Meats Teriyaki Salmon. This was on sale and apparently it's got really good reviews, so I'm going to do a quick taste test and do a quick up. And you can see it right there. It's all thawed out now, so we're going to cook it up. So I'll be right back. Oh, let me show you guys the nutrient panel. There you go. And ingredients are here somewhere. Here it is. Right there. If you guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video, and yeah, we get it ready. So here is the salmon all cooked up. Let's do a quick taste test. We'll flake it off a bit here. There it is. I put it in the air fryer, so. Yeah, nice sweet texture to it. Yeah, it's not bad. Definitely check out, guys. It's got a lot of that teriyaki flavor, though. So, yeah, it's pretty good. Nice salmon flavor. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.